Gwe sebo utwesana, sebo utwesana, nachimanyira won't twesana. You are international and local, international and local, Mr. International and local, yeah, yeah. My baby come to mommy, kula gwa mukwano gwa bubadi. My baby come to mommy, eh, mimwaji womanga honey. Nako every commando, since I'm ever lonely. Jagala love story, jagala love story. Hey, exi woba chikolatia, oba ya chikolatia, gwete bakuchawa, kubulunje bote bakuchawa. Hey, katonda yatonda, yatonda gwena mala. Toina we wachama, wachama chama. Sinywa mwenge na yonkuba, 1 meter distance na yazita. Mwana kogenda kunzita. For now I'm focused on music. Kuba n'abasajja munne baagala bakolaki bakolamu. Yeah, so ate nange njagala bakolaki, so walaba level gye ntuuseewo njaga najja naye ng'amanyi kyakolaki where they're going. So for now I'm focused on music, but I remember when I was in school and I said I would want to become a star, a married star with children. So I'm sure mukama yakiwulira ekyo. Time werituuka era ajja kuleeta omwami. I also give birth to some children.
Hello everyone, welcome to UJU Updates. It's me, your girl Suzy Love. Nachitaga until last time say yogera ko bingi binkwatako, but very soon mugenda tegeera nzani. But today is not my day. Nsazeewo okuja n'omuntu wamwe gwe musinga nnyo okwagala. I know she's uprising. She's the big deal in the music industry right now. So I don't know if you guys are ready to meet her. Because man, this interview is going to be fire. Mwena jemuli, I hope you have your cup of tea, you're relaxing, buli kimu kiri bulungi. At the moment, njagala banjulira. Ono mukyala anyirira. I don't know if this might now okutandikira. But let me introduce her. Her name is Mukisa Martha. Our very, very, very good musician at the moment. I hope you're ready to be with us today. I hope everything is okay. How are you doing?
I'm okay. How are you? And,
I'm very, very fine.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy that you guys have mu bantu bonna mune munonda nga mwagala kumanya ebikwata ku Martha Mukisa. Yes.
So, ngawe mbagambya, she's a very Mwembate mumanyi. I don't know if you know this song of Exiwo, Exiwo. Yeah, she's the one, our artist today. So lero njagala tumanye Martha Mukisa yani, what inspired her to get into the music industry. Obutonotono bw'osobola otugamba.
Well, kisokera ddala mbalamusizaako abalaba eno channel. Amanya gange yenze Martha Mukisa genkozesa ng'omuyimbi naye amanya gange amatuufu yenze Mukisa Martha Nakakande, amanya gange ag'obuzaale. Ndi mukyala muyimbi, era ndi songwriter, era ndi creator of art. Abasinga ndoza munakatemba. Yes, so I'm a multi-talented person, era ndi business woman. Basinga kumanya lwakayimba ke bayita kasebo. Gwe sebo twesana, sebo twesana, nachimanyira won't twesana. I want you baby, I want you today to be my baby. I want you baby, era kyensaba muntu wange.
So I must say, Martha, ngolabika bulungi. By the way, meeting you in person was like, what? She's exactly how you see her on TV. You guys just need to meet this lady. Like, olabika bulungi. Chikunyiriza, you know, with this COVID situation going on, man. Okusanga omuntu anyirira ngagwa at this moment. How do you do it?
Thank you.
Are you gymming?
Yeah. I don't actually do much. I don't do much. Nze ndi muntu akola ekintu nga wembeera mpulidde. Wembeera nga leero nawe nyina kinayoyezaako nkirya. Wembeera nga mpulira omubiri gugetinga astray nga I work out. I'm not a gym person. Mfuluma ebweru nengenda nenzuluka nentambula. I work out from the house nenkola sit-ups. Obuntu obutonotono. Naye nga tewali kyamaanyi n'ekirandoza kisa kya Mukama. Yes.
So at the moment buli omu ali eyo, yes, bakumanyi nga Martha eyatwimbira ssebo. You have so many songs going on. Omuntu ayinza okwagala okumanya background story ya Martha Mukisa nga otugambye gwe nakakande, and I know a number of people don't choose their real names when it comes to music. How did you even decide to use Martha Mukisa as a name? Lwaki tewafuna eriiso agarific name kati nga nze Suzy Love? Love is not my name, but I decided it will match, my brand. Why did you decide to use Martha Mukisa? And you can tell us a bit about your background story.
Well, ekisokera ddala kulinnya erinnya Martha Mukisa lyampeebwa bazadde bange olw'okubanga waliwo events ezaabeerawo nga bagenda kunzaala. Naleeta omukisa gw'amaanyi nnyo mu bazadde bange. Actually ekiseera kye banzaaliramu balinganga abaali mu kiseera ekya COVID-19. Tuli mu 1994. So ebiseera ebyo daddy wange yali talina a stable job. Mami wange ng'ali lubuto. N'atuuka okuzaala nga tebalina yadde ekikumi. So daddy wange n'agamba, you know what, I'm taking you to hospital. N'atwala mami mu hospital. Yamutwala mu hospital n'amusuulayo n'amulekayo.
Nga kyenyo sente?
Nga talina sente. Naye n'agamba olina okuzaala. N'amulekayo mu hospital. N'amuleka ye atobe n'ekintu kye. Aba atambula eyo omusajja wattu ndowooza ng'anoonya ekyokulya. Anoonya mukazi wattu bamutwalireyo ku bugoye kuba yali talina anything. Anoonya oba beeko byamutwalira. Ne wabaawo omugagga yamukubira. Because my dad, he was an engineer. Teyasoma nnyo naye yali omuntu eyenyigira mu bintu n'ayiga ebintu ku lulwe. So he was an engineer era alina ebintu bingi nnyo bya partneringa muno mu kibuga ebiseera ebyo ne bazimba. Omugagga n'amukubira n'amugamba alina contract ya 10 million. My dad that same day when they're giving birth to me. So my mama lady ali mukutoba mukazi watu banzadde bamuwaddeyo obusuuka agenda okulaba omusajja akomawo n'ebikeesi akomawo n'ebyokulya biki
kwe bajja erinnya lya Mukisa.
Yes, so my dad decided to name me Mukisa. When akula my dad knew how much I really loved music. Kuba kudada nga ndi muto nali njagala nnyo okuzina. Nga njaga nnyo okubiibya, njaga nnyo okubeera participant, nga mbeera mu talent shows we bayita mu masomero nga buli kimu kye bayita Martha Mukisa yasooka. Mukasa abeera wali eri. Ate kyajja nti no we nali nkola nali nga ndi mu culture troupe. So nga already nino obumanyirivu mu ekyo kyenkola. So mu masomero gano bagenda okujjanga okutraininga ng'ate nze alina okubeera ki trainer. So I really loved music. Era mpulira ebidongo bino n'ebikuba nga nze nzuluka. So growing up, that was me. They knew how much I loved music. Era daddy wange yakimanyaako nti njagala music. Kati erinnya lye nali njagala okukozesa nali njagala kukozesa Martha Oceans.
Okay.
Nga ngenda ku Facebook nengulawo Martha Oceans biki. But each time I looked myself in the mirror, I was not feeling the oceans. I was not feeling that Martha. I was not feeling, yeah. Nengenda maaso nga omuyimbi njagala kubeera oyo omuyimbi oyo Martha Oceans. But my dad told me, Tino, do you know the reason why we called you that name? There is a reason why you have that name. I want you to go look at yourself in the mirror. And I want you to embrace your name. Pray about it. Ask God to help you embrace that name. Ninchikola. I pray. It wasn't easy, of course, because they're like, abantu mpulira bano beetaga n'amannya biki. I won't be cool. Yes, I won't be cool biki. But with time, I realized that I was not being myself. I could not talk about my story as Martha. Yes. And I've always wanted to be that African girl. I always wanted to be all about African, to be able to embrace myself as that African original girl. So when nagenda nenchikola neeyita Martha Mukisa. Of course waliwo amannya awo agajjamu nga ne ba managers abajja.
And I believe wali ku myaka gyendi because we tubeera abavubuka obeera ne buli busa kati because I'm imagining that courage you had, but your name is beautiful, so I would enjoy it.
It was very hard because ne ba managers abaasooka okujjaawo nga aja njaga, I want to take you on, but it feels like your name feels like you're singing gospel. And I'm like, no. I'm like, no, a name does not define someone's talent. A name does not define what someone can give to people. Mukama nanyamba in 2018, nensinkana omwami bali bamuyita Kisuule. And this guy was different from all the managers I had met. This guy came to me, ngata minding what my stage name was. But he was caring about my talent. Era nangamba jangu, let's see what we can do. Let's see what what you're made of. Yansanga biseera byonga nina akayimba kasebo. Na akawuliriza and was like, yes, this is going to be a perfect song. So he helped me embrace myself as Martha Mukisa more. Era we namanyiza ntino, yes, Martha Mukisa is going to be a strong name. Martha Mukisa is who I'm supposed to be. Nensalirawo dda nengamba, yes, I'm Martha Mukisa. Kati wali nembera nga sikyafaayo omuntu ya. Kati ate wekyajja when na meeting my new management, Black Magic Entertainment, when they came kwa bo bansanga n'Ekisuule nga tupushinze. So when
wakola ennyimba meka n'Ekisuule?
N'Ekisuule twakola oluyimba lumu. Twapushinga oluyimba lumu sebo. So when Black Magic came on board, nina omwami gwe nali nkozeeko naye emabega bamuyita Hassan. So when they came on board, they still didn't care. Meaning they were seeing the work I was doing, and they loved and they knew who Martha Mukisa was going to become. So I'm now Martha Mukisa, and I now have over 6 songs, yes, that are out.
So abantu abawuliriza by'oyogedde, someone may think Martha's journey must have been an easy journey to music. Wuyo wa meeting at Sule, n'okola oluyimba olwa Sebo, which was you said Sebo? Yes, n'okola oluyimba olwa Sebo, which was a very big hit. Did you just wake up one morning and you met those big brands and what have you? Kuba omuntu omulala bw'omubuuza gamba nze natoba nayita mu kino. Are there any challenges you met there before you became the brand Martha Mukisa?
Well, the challenges are very many. Naye olugendo bagamba teri lugendo mutali nsozi. Ate sisobola kugamba muntu ali eyo challenges zonna zempiseemu oba ebizibu byensanze. Naye ekyo nyiza okugamba, era abantu abasinga balowooza ebintu byabifunye ku silver plate, but no, nothing comes like that, because abamanyi abalabye nga ndi mu music industry ate nga nkyalina ate gye nkyalaga nga ate olugendo terunabakola ki kubeera really open lwe njagala kugenda. So it hasn't been an easy journey. Naye kyenyiza okugamba nti wobeera nga obulamu bwo obuteeka ku Mukama ng'ate oli focused ng'ate nekyoyagala nekyokola okyagala, Mukama akutuusa ku bantu abatuufu b'olina okukola ki okusanga. Mu challenges ze nasanga ezisinga nasangako abantu abatali batuufu ku lugendo lwange. Nasangako abantu abagala okusayininga naye nga ne batula butuuzi ku talent yo. But there is also reason waki Mukama aba akutadde ku your stage. So to me, I believe buli stage omuntu gy'atuukako ebeera ki. Nkugambye nti waliwo omwami kati gwendi mukola naye nakolako naye buli omu n'agenda their ways, and by that time they got another artist, a very known artist, era ne bamutumbuuza, and they put that's John Black, and they put him out there. Naye nga nali nkola with that guy, naye buli omu yagenda their ways, but eventually ate Mukama n'akola ki netufuna oba destiny brought us back together. So it hasn't been an easy journey. it hasn't been an easy journey, but but a journey that is focused with love is always smooth. Yes.
So one of the things I remember you saying, you loved dancing. Yeah. So how did you wake up and you decided it's no longer dancing, it's now singing? Because they're in the same field, but yeah.
Nakugambye nga ntandika nti ndi multi talented. Era bingi nnyo abantu bagenda okubeera nga balaba mu videos zange ezijja. Okuzina nakwagala nnyo, era I should say I'm a professional dancer. Yes, because I was in culture troops that were professional and used to go for professional. Nze nawangulanga nnyo ebyo bintu ebyo bi trophies biki musimanga tugeze mu mpaka wa
bazaddewo nga bali beesiimye. Some of us nze nzijukira nga nkyasoma nze byange byali different, simanya music biki. No, it wasn't my thing. Your parents are so lucky to have you.
Era banyamba nnyo kuba nzijukira mami wange nali ngenda mu secondary school gye nagenda mami namugamba nti njagala genda mu ssomero erina music. Era mu masomero yanonyeza St. Bali ku Ddembe. It was a musical school and I cannot regret that time I was there. Kubanga time when aliyo nanyumirwa amazina. Nanyumirwa ebirabo. Ate nanyumirwa okutambula because batutambuza nze nayisigena nko Masaka. They used to take us to different schools to challenge other schools to prove ourselves that we can also be something in this world. So nebaza nnyo bazadde bange that they took notice of what I wanted to become and they put me there. I know some people have stories of like me, I didn't want this. But me, I wanted this. I loved music. Yes, I loved music. Because initially I didn't love music as a vocalist. I loved music as a dancer. Era nga nyiza okubeera mu dome nga bakuba engoma. Nze abalowooza ku prep me, I would be thinking about what?
Wali totema prep.
Now this is tema. One thing I used to mind about my grades because I used to care about my mom, how she will feel like ngaze ku somero and her child muwala we yaina bad grades. So nali nfaayo nnyo nga nfuba okulaba nti ne mu grades zange ki nkoze bulungi because I knew nti bazadde bange mu gundi as much as they were the baliawo middle class people, I knew nti bali batubanga ki okufuna ezo sente. I saw my mom do all the jobs in this world okola ki okulaba nti Martha yafunye akokulya, Martha yafunye ki oba Martha nkubidde ayagala emitwalo ebiri n'agimpeeza oba school fees zibuze. I knew how much they used to suffer and work hard for us to make sure that we're in school.
So best thing on what you've told me right now, tulina abavubuka bangi abeetanira nnyo mu entertainment industry, omuli okuactinga, okuzina, okuyimba, neerabira nti n'okusoma gye kuli. You know, because according to your story, you've been to school, osomye oyitidde wano n'oyitira ne wali, which you're still telling us more. What do you tell such students abali abatulaba nga yamanyi nti nze kasita nfuna okuyimba, kasita nfuna record label enyingiza mu kintu, you know, ebyokusoma mbeera nkoze eki, mbeera mbivuddeko? What do you tell those youths out there?
Well, I should say nti some of the problems zetufunye mu music industry to me, I feel like zivudde kuba nti people have not been aware or they have not been educated nga ebintu ebimu tebakoze eki tebalinaako bumanyirivu. Nolaba nti omuntu kugenda ku record label bamuwe contract and they will not even read through their contract kuba tebamanyi kusoma oba tebamanyi their rights ng'omuyimbi amale gasayininga mu maaso yafune ki obuzibu. So era gye tulimu yeetaaga abantu abayivu abasoma. Era entertainment gye tulimu egena kwetaaga nnyo people who are educated. Why? You won't come on TV obuulirire omwana w'omuntu ali eyo asomye nga gwe tokoze eki nga tewasoma. Newaba nti omuntu kale waliwo abayimbi abamu nga tebaafuna chance bazadde baabwe, naye waba mukama akutuusizza ku stage nga you can pay for yourself nze ngamba omuyimbi oyo addeyo akole ki asome. I went to Chambogo University after my Form 6. After Kitante Hill School, I went to Chambogo University. I did textile designing and technology. I'm very passionate about design. I can tell you that today to Ali we are designing.
From head to toe, from hair to everything is on point.
Nga chiri kye nasoma nakinamu passion na kyagala kuba nali nkimanyi kigenda kunnyamba muki mu music wange. I did a diploma, but I always think about going back and do business because I'm a businesswoman and I would want to, and music is business as much as people say music is not business. Music is business. Abantu abasinga abayimbi abafunye ebirungi babijje mu music then ne bafuna ebirungi ebiriwa ebirala from music. So I'm planning to do that, not because nti nandikyagadde nnyo, but because it will help me nganze Martha Mukisa, my future, and for the good of the people out there. Yes.
So you've told us you've gone to school, Mitala Maria, uyo Chitante, uyo Chambogo. So music, naingira mwatya. Oba byonna byonna wali obikola nga hitting a studio?
Well, then when I was in school, I used to love music. But you, as a young girl, you don't know whether you're professional or you're just doing it for fun. I didn't know. I didn't even know the good things that will come out of music. I didn't even know that I will come this far. Naye era love yaliwo. So daddy wange yaletako studio waka ewaffe. Daddy wange ayagala nnyo music.
Ekitegeeza byonna byonna every like background yo is music.
Yes. Daddy wange ayagala nnyo music ne baganda bange baagala nnyo music. Era mu family yange daddy wange musician, ninayo ne brother wange musician. Daddy wange yawandiika oluyimba lwange olwasooka baluyika makanika gye luliyo ku YouTube. Then brother wange nawandiika oluyimba lwange olwokubiri baluyita Kingereza. So we are at a studio ewaka. I used to go in studio nga waliwo abayimbi abajja ne bayimba nze nemba backing kuba mu ssomero nalinganga nnyimba amaloboozi alto tenor bikiika nze nayingirangayo nembackinga. So one time nengamba oba nange ngezeeko, and my dear, when I tried, I did not want nasula mu kinaabiro nga mpulira eddoboozi nengamba is that me nga sikikiriza nembeera mu kinaabiro nengamba oba lino eddoboozi lya mu kinaabiro nembeera nga neyimbya and eventually I could not stop. Then I think our Form 6 I recorded my first song. In my Form 6 ne tuliyimba kugundi ku Livers Party Yafe. Ne Alan Hendricks Ali, his baby cool son. Yeah, so he was
connection pegamba go badde nayo kuva mbuto you've totally
studio. He used not even know about studio. Nze amugamba because I knew ntino ye omanyi no kubeera omukujukuju oba ina chokola chicho yagala. Yes. Namanya nti boba ina sente ne mugamba manyifi wafe tulina studio. So I want us to do a song together, and he used to love music. So nalitayo obusente ne tugenda mu studio ne tukola akayimba kafe ne tukayimba ku Livers Party. But then still that is just like, oh yes, I'm into music, now I'm going to sing, but you're not like, but that push, that thing that makes you like, the passion that makes you like, let me do another song, let me record another song. Nagenda okweraba nga recordings akayimba daddy ke yampandikira. Again, okulaba recordings akayimba brother and kiampa, and I'm doing videos and I don't have money, but I make sure that I'm shooting a video empayo. Yes. Then he nampayo katono, then ngena mikwano jange ne bagamba, you know, this year I don't want to celebrate my birthday. Naye mpaye mitwala abiri chi, and I save nemanya kati mfunye ageno kunkola ko makeup oba mfunye ageno kumpayo ka t-shirt nemanya ntiro ne oba negwerawo. I am good at making friends, and I'm good at making oba God is good at making me meet abantu abayina ekintu basobola okungattako. Yes. So I remember video yange ya Kingereza nina mukwano gwange mugagga. Ne mugamba banenkwegayidde, I want to shoot my video from your house. Let me shoot from there. Sajja nampa his house for free. I had to shoot from there. So there is a way things happen you also don't know, but it's because of that passion and love omuntu gyakulabamu aba naye alina essuubi owaye kamuwe maybe omwana ayinza okubaako kyakolaki kyayagala. So I should say till now I have not backed down. Yes.
Your story is so inspiring. I hope you guys who are watching muina chemuiga, you know, temutunulira Martha slaying ku TV ne mulowooza nti she had a very easy journey nga wabagambye excuse me, chava ku ssomero azaakula nakyo ne support y'abazadde. Omuzadde atulaba eyo oyinza okuba nga omwana wo mulabyemu talent, you know, nga olowooza bitabo byokka, not knowing that this talent is going to be something for this child of yours in future. So Martha, being a female artist, you know, nga tetunanagenda ku kya female artist, how is it being in a record label kuba wabeerako single mu nga toyina management? Bulungi ki bw'ofunye mu being in management bw'otaafuna ng'oli mu single? Yeah.
Well, kyenyinza ogamba omuntu yenna olina okusaba Mukama akuwe the right people around you. Before I met these guys, I should say, before I met the team, I love calling them guys because basajja bokanze nkola na bonna abali mu Black Magic yenze mukazi ali muwogwa. Yes. So I should say I got brothers, I got my gangos, I got my mentors, I got people who love what I do. Before I got the team, I did not really believe in what I was doing. But when I got to the team and I saw mu COVID yono nga basazeewo okunteekamu ssente ne bampushinga, I knew they saw something different in me. I knew they wanted Martha to become something. So nzera buli kimu kyenkola nkola nnyo so that baddemu amaanyi, I make them happy. When I even go to stage nekwata kabiri ne bagamba leero mundaba. Yes.
And I've really seen you're a warrior wekijja ku kintu kya stage oba amanyi mugajjawo.
Ndoza kyekiri kyagamba no, you have to be above what you're made for. Yes.
So there've been rounds back then about social media bullying, things connected to that, abayimbi simanyo no bamukoze eki, you know, there are those artists who beba body shaming besigenda kusobola kunaminga. Have you encountered social bullying? If yes, like how have you ochizanyewo otya? What has been your support system?
We should say we are in an African setting, and social media tugambe nti abantu bangi tebamanyi nnyo gikozesa, tebamanyi mugaso gwayo. Nze Martha nkozesa social media okulaba nti music wange atuuka buli wamu around the globe, around Kampala, Kenya, Nairobi, Tanzania. Nti era wotuna mu inbox zange osangamu nakama, oh my God, I'm from Nigeria, I would really want to work with you. Okitegera naye abantu abamu naddala oba maybe ba followers baffe oluusi bamanyi kukozesa ki ate tosobola kukola ki banenya tuyiga buyizi. But I should say nze personally sinaba nnyo ku encountering social bullying naye as a celebrity oyina ebintu ebimu byesonyiwa and look away kuba naffe tuba abantu oyinza okuba nga muli mu ssomero ne bakugamba Suzy, someone said this about you. It doesn't mean go out there and rant and show off who you are. No, ebintu ebimu olina okubireka kuba tuli bantu. Olaba ne Yesu bakola ki bamwogerako. So oba olaba he could do all those great things but then still yakolome years ku musalaba. So we are in a world where we expect this. Ebintu ebimu olina byesonyiwa. yes, their way of expression. Ku simu kuliko ka delete. If to me wendaba no, to me nze wendaba omuntu nga alina ekintu kyawandiise kuba waliwo omuntu ayinza okuwandika ekintu nekita affecting nga nze nzeka but it also affects my mother if it affects maybe oba it affects my fan. I can go and delete it nenjijako ku wall yange nga oba nange kimpisiza nenjijako ngamba acho no sitikyagalako ono omuntu ono abakoki ayinza okujja nga ayogedde ebigambo ebiri vulgar. Delete.
But do you agree that sometimes abayimbi nga abantu oba media personalities or what have you beba leading to people socially bullying them? Do you think they're the cause sometimes of abantu abatulaba fa bebaliko ekikyamu
abantu abatulaba bebaliko ekikyamu? Yes, kuba okujjako ng'omuntu ng'avuddeyo oba najja personally nomulaba nga najja nga ali bwereere biki, but me there are things I don't agree with. Okitegera, I'm at the pool, I'm putting on a swimming costume, why would you bully me? Ninagendera gomesi, you get so I feel, and then the difference is this one is a celebrity or I'm a celebrity. Someone is going to want to attack me to either pull me down or either make yayagala kufunira kawo. Yes.
There's what people are talking about nowadays. So meaning buli omwali mu struggle.
Nange ndi nange naye ontako obunyivu naye nange ndi mu struggle. Kyova nasazeewo I stress off ngende ku pool, post my picture and that's it. That's how I'm cooling off my struggle. Kati yala because struggle yaji cooling off by attacking.
So as an artist, omuntu attacking omukolera otya? Do you go block or you just come out of your social media platforms and keep doing ekiruma abayayi nga webagamba?
What you do. Keep doing what you do. Kubanze kyemmanyi tewaliwo omuntu ayinza kulemesa kole. Yes, alicho so akusanyusa buli omu. So keep doing what you do. Ate ebyo don't pay attention. Yeah, don't pay attention. Okay,
so besides social media bullying, how about in the industry? You're a very young, talented artist. While you have abakusokayo, the people who are coming up, like it's a very, very competitive industry. Have you encountered people abakuba kakokula nibagamba matha nedda? So could they want see? How do you come through those things? Like you can't avoid such situations. Bibeerayo.
Well, nga wogambye nti no wabeera abatusookayo ebintu ebimu ebituwa ebijja, you just have to come and give respect to those people, but then as well ng'omuntu you have to stand up for yourself kubanga si buli kaseera nti ojja kubeera ng'okola ki onyigirizibwa. Naye nze Mukama ampadde omukisa all oba most of them mikwano gyange oba mentors bange oba ba friends bange mu industry ababadde bakimakinze, they have all given me a very good reception. Banzizaamu amaanyi, like, oh my God, you can do this, keep on doing what you do. Yes, so I should say industry abatusookayo nti bantu balungi nnyo. Yes.
So as a woman, toinayo muntu, manya bakazi, banyana obuntu wawe. Toinayo rival, aliyeyo, nga olaba nti ono yewalana ne gundi, toinayo.
Kuba music wange ali different. Yeah, music wange ali different. Ate n'ekirala ng'abakyala era nga bogambye mbuno oba n'obeerayo n'omukyala ng'omulabi. Ng'abakyala we just have to support ourselves. Yes, girl power. Kuba kati wotandika omuntu gwotamanyi struggle gye yayitamu ate gwe n'otandika okubeera nga you're beefing simanya nga muyina rival. It's not right. It is not right. We just have to support each other. Yeah.
So there's this song you've released, the recent Exiwo. It's doing mighty ku YouTube.
Yeah.
Oinayo Exi. Are you dating? Omuntu ali yagamba kimother kinyira kirabika bulungi. Ayinayo omuntu kiki relationship oba oyagala kikuma private?
First of all, Exiwo is a love song. it's a love song. Atenga wagami kaimba kakulumya. Yes. We go through a lot when we're in relationships. At times we lose the people we have. Noloza ntino tojja kusanga mulala. Naye waliwo omulala ate gw'osanga n'ogamba naye bannaye. Gwe ate yakukyawa yali kuki? Nga tebakukyawa. Okitegeera n'ogamba I thank God that I met this other person. Oli ali bibye. Okitegeera. So it's basically a love. Yeah. Yakulage kubo. Yes, so it's basically a love song. But to me, I want them to empower people as well. Oluyimba oyinza n'okubeera nga olina omulimu gwe wavaako n'ofuna omulala nogamba naye bannaye baali kuki to lose me okitegeera. So like luyimba lwa kusanyuka lwa ku celebrating kino another achievement gy'okoze ki gy'otuuseeko.
Naye Martha, akabuzo kange ndaba okeepe nodde eri nkubuuzizza olinayo omuntu gw'olaba? Like, is there someone in your life? Are you dating? For the mister watching there and is like, Oba, you just want to keep things underground?
For now, I'm focused on music. Kuba n'abasajja munne baagala bakola ki bakolamu. Yeah, so ate nange njagala akola ki, so walaba level gye ntuuseewo njagala najja naye ng'amanyi kyakola ki where they're going. So for now I'm focused on music, but I remember when I was in school and I said I would want to become a star, a married star with children. So I'm sure Mukama yakiwulira ekyo. Time werituuka era ajja kuleeta omwami. I also give birth to some children.
So nkulaba weesaze ka green and right now ekintu ekiriwo kya politics manyi tunatera okulonda kati does that green speak volumes? Does it say a party oba oli wa DP oba eri awalala?
You're ready.
What do you think about artists joining politics? Do you support it? Would you one time also wake up n'ogamba omanyi nange struggle kanjiyingire kangende nshikirira abantu beri ewaffe?
It is very okay because artists have numbers and artists help sensitize people on a few things, as much as like people don't want to realize that, but we have a very big hand in most of the things that happen. Yes. So ate tuli bantu, and that means everyone has freedom of speech. Everyone has that freedom to be part of their country. As much as people say so much, as an artist, don't involve yourself between. But I believe we have a voice. I've been seeing in America lots of artists have been coming out to indulge in politics, and they've been showing their sides. And unfortunately or fortunately, people have been liking the sides they've been taking because nabo kibadde bakola ki basupporting. But as me, I tell people to get the ndagamuntu and take part in what? In the voting, because kiyamba ffe. Yes.
So about music, are we going to see more collaborations? Because we've seen you collab in the Chicomando remix. Are there other international artists we are collaborating and about? How do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Is it Mukisa?
Well, in the next 5 years, I want Martha Mukisa to be a star. Njagala abeere ekyo, the dream that she has always wanted. I want Martha Mukisa Musubira in the next 5 years okubeera nga akola with the best producers, akoleko ne international artists, are producing akoleko ne ba videographers with the creatives between muno mu ggwanga ne outside. Yes, ate njagala Mata atuke kwelesa nga asobola okugivinga back to people abamukoze eki abamusupportinze, not only not only bafanzi bange, family yange, so kulaba nti nabo mbazimba, because that's what tells nti omuntu akuze mu kintu kyakola, when you're able to change the people around you's life. Yes.
Who are those, some of the people you look up to in the Ugandan industry? Nogamba nti ono inayo kintu kyakoledde oba we wali okula, who are those people we wali looking up to nogamba ono wendifuuka omuntu amanyikiddwa mu music wise, this is someone I would love to do a collab with and inspiring her in one or another?
Banaye banji kuba nze nakula mpuliriza music, like a variety of music ayinza n'okwewuunyisa. Yeah, so nakula mpuliriza bakyala nga Bakarona Kimera, Afrigo Band, Irene Namubiru, yes, Irene Namubiru, Juliana Kanyomozi, naye nayagalanga nnyo Dr. Jose Chameleon. I loved him so much. And I still love him, and I think he's one of the people that I would want to see myself on stage with one time. N'aba bakyala aba babiri. Yes, I would want to work with them. Yeah.
Okay, that has been so nice interacting with you. So I want you to look in the camera and tell people where they can find you, music wall, social media handles, and how they can support the music industry. Kuba of recent, while your awards ezibaddewo, nebatasobola kulonda Eddie Kenzo, What do you tell such people? How do they get to support the Ugandan industry and stuff like that?
People have been supportive of the Ugandan industry, but it's not that all the time you don't win, it's that people didn't support you. Yes, people have been supportive, and me personally, I want to thank people for that, because before I got on Black Magic Entertainment, I was having over 200 subscribers boka mu kastrago kanke nalira mwezi bange yonna, naye mu banga line tono I over have 1.64k subscribers on my Vevo, and it's growing. On my Instagram I had over 2,000. Kati ndi mu 12 point something k. So that means people have been watching and they love what I'm doing. Era mbasaba beyongere kuba ate nange ngenda kubeera nga nnyongera kuba waaki fire. Yes, birungi byerere. So they can find me on my YouTube channel. I use Martha Mukisa. You can as well find me on Instagram. I use Martha Mukisa. Then on my Facebook, I use Martha Mukisa. Then on Twitter, I use Martha Mukisa UG. Obimba ona mugenda busangayo Sebo international and local.
One of your best songs. So what is best song yomu?
Gwe sebo utwe sana nachimanyira wonti twe sana. You are international and local, Mr. International and local, yeah. My baby come to mommy, kulago mukwano gwo badi. My baby come to mommy, mimwaji womanga honey. Nako ebi commando, since I'm ever lonely. Jagala love story, Exi woba chikolatia, obaya chikolatia, gwete bakuchawa, kubulunje bote bakuchawa, Katonda yatonda gwena mala. Toina we wachama sinywa mwenge nayo nkuba 1 meter distance na yazita mwana kogenda kunzita
Wow.
Thank you so much.
I don't know if there's anyone who can outcompete your voice. Nze munendoza ngina kujja tubeere backup artist kyako mulimu ngusobola bulungi.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much. I
called you on a short notice and you were willing to come and do that interview with me. I'm grateful.
Yeah.
Atula kumpide Martha Mukisa.
Kambabireko, Susie Love is my sister. My sister from another mother, and we went to the same schools. And I'm so glad we have grown up, and I was very happy that you're on this show. You're doing it so well. I pray for you that greatness comes over you, and I'm looking forward to see you in more and more interviews. Yeah.
So to any person watching there, omuvubuka, omuntu omukulu, I hope you've picked something from Martha Mukisa's background story. Now watuuse omuzadde aliyo nze kintu ekinyumidde. Don't suppress your child's talent. You never know what this talent is going to do for them in future. For the people watching over there, please abavubuka musome ebitabo because it is the way through. Toddawo n'ogamba nze sigenda kusoma simanya Martha Mukisa teyasoma. Martha Gambie yasoma. She's a graduate and she's still aiming high. I believe you're going for masters.
I want to go for my degree. Exactly. Yes.
So anyone watching there, stay in your books. Abazadde, support your child's talent. Nebisingawo. Till next time, it's been me to you with love, Susie Love. Please, bambim subscribing, like, comment, and share this content. Until next time, bye-bye.